Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having an e-bike. It could be an e-bike that you bought already built or the one that you made yourself. But guys, if you want to know what are the symptoms of bad e-bike battery, how you can test it, how you can find out if it's good, what are the symptoms, what you can expect when it starts going out, how you can actually fix it yourself, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car that we get usually here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix anything guys, from engines, transmissions, engine light codes, transmission codes, bodywork, all that stuff. And why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience where you can get them from. So let's start on it now. So guys, the symptoms of bad battery, what you can expect. So we took that battery apart. Ours is 48 volt battery, but when it's charged probably it needs to be around 54, I think 54.6, and we can easily test that, okay, by actually testing here on positive and negative, okay, terminals of the battery. Let me show you, and we're going to end up having 53. So that's fully charged. Now guys, the problem with our battery is that it shows full on the gauge, and we used to have about 30 to 35 miles of range on average. Now all of a sudden it drops to about 9 miles and it dies all of a sudden. Now you can see these batteries 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 4, 5 here, 5 here, 5 here. They're in sections, right? And these batteries guys, okay, actually are being charged in sections, 5 of each, by the battery monitor system right here. And when we check the voltage, actually guys, the symptoms of bad battery, usually you will expect it all of a sudden to turn off, not to charge, limited range. But what causes that usually? Most of the times will be either a bad cell, okay, in the battery, or what we see quite often, probably about 80-90% of the time, is bad BMS. That's the battery monitor sensor. And if I test that battery, I want to show you now what voltage we're going to get. Check this thing out now. If we check that section, let me switch to, okay, to 20 volts so you can clearly see that. We're going to have guys, okay, 4.14. Check this thing out. Next battery, again 4.14 here. So all that section is good. We switch to the next one, okay, again 4.14, right? Check this thing out. Now the problem, all of them, we check them, are about 4.14, except this section of 5 batteries. And here what happens guys, check this thing out. 363, 363, this one as well, 363, 363, 363. So guys, that's not a bad battery. The battery is amazing. What causes our problem now is bad BMS, the battery monitor sensor. Every section of 5 batteries is connected to a wire. That's your charging wire. So the charging is actually controlled by that BMS. And if something malfunctions, if it's not right, it doesn't charge that section. And as a result, you may think you have a bad battery. Let's say this battery is about $300. Okay, we just bought a replacement BMS right here guys. Okay, new BMS for, okay, about $11. So all we have to do, replace that thing. So if you guys have sudden voltage drop, bike turns off, it doesn't charge all the way, doesn't hold charge, limited range, doesn't mean you have a bad battery. Always open, test it, and most of the times you can easily fix it yourself without spending quite a bit of money. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.